Hey everybody, this is Diva T4040. Why is it when you go to record a video and you use your phone that somebody decides to text you, inbox you, or call? This is Diva T4040. It is Saturday, September the 7th. I woke up thinking it was Friday, so my day has started off late because I didn't get up till 11, and I should have known why, because it's Saturday. So I'm doing 9 projects at one time and taking breaks in between. Sorry about the water running in the background, but really quick, I'm just showing one of the projects that I'm doing. I did a swap in a group on Facebook last year before I downsized and moved. So I never got a chance to start it, and I should have done it in February, but I can't remember when I got it. So anyway, I know that we did the swap on Amazon, and we did a tell me your favorite thing. And the lady that I did the swap with, she loves turtles, for to place in your gardens, and gnomes and stuff like that. But her favorite gnome, I guess, was turtle. So I had my daughter go on Amazon and find a turtle thing she could put in her flower garden, and she loved it, and we had a ball doing the swap, and we've been friends ever since. And she crochets. She doesn't have a YouTube, but anyway, in the group, she sent me this herb garden kit because I've always loved to use fresh herbs and stuff, but they're pricey in the store. So she ordered me this herb garden kit from Balanced Living. This is the name of the brand, and it's chives, parsley, and basil. So that's what these. So I've been wanting to do it, and on the box it says that the planting season is supposed to be between February and April. But guess who didn't do it? So this kit came with a set of 3 bamboo composite pots, which are these green pots. It shows the diameter and the size. There's a set of 3 paper filter discs, these small round discs that go inside the bottom of the pots. And they're 2 inches in diameter, and some vermicellulite planting medium, which is this stuff. And it comes in this big Ziploc bag. So I'm going to have to go online because it said 3/4 of the way up. And I want to say that's 3/4 of the way up. And it might need to be a little higher. And it came with a big Ziploc bag full of that already mixed. Some fertilizer. And a set of 3 packets that have 20 seeds in each in them. The basil, the parsley, and the chives. And it's really simple instructions. There's no paper inside. The instructions on the back of the box. So I followed the instructions, and it says, imagine harvesting luscious green aromatic plants and garnishing your homemade recipes with, and I'm reading this right here, freshly cut herbs. Basic Living's fresh herb garden kit makes it a reality. Our kit is a one-stop shop, include all the necessary elements to grow your own fresh, fragrant herbs naturally from start to finish. So this is a 3-piece set. 3 pots, 3 herbs, the fertilizer, and the vermicellulite. So I have followed the directions, and I'm down to number 5, which it says water often, snip the blooms, and harvest regularly. So I soaked I soaked the seeds for almost 3 hours. I did it at 12. It's 2:40 here in Texas. So yeah, the seeds are down in there. The fertilizer's in there. I did mix it up. I did use throwaway items such as a plastic spoon and throwaway cups. This is what the little package, everything came in a package like this, but it was see-through except for this fertilizer. And we're going to see, I am going to do a follow-up because this is outdoor planted from February to April. Indoor planted near sun-drenched windowsill only. So I have 2 windowsills that gets great sun. It's hella hot here, so I'm gonna have to watch that and make sure it's not burned. But I am gonna soak it real good, sit it outside because it is so hot, and let it dry, and then soak it again and put them in the windowsill. So I will keep you updated on how this is going. This is Diva T4040, and I am planting basil, parsley, and chives. Y'all have a great afternoon. Now my next project is to paint some letters and add glitter. Bye bye.